Today on Mike Attempts, replacing Honda Civic spark plugs. My 2013 Honda Civic recently hit 100,000 miles. Time to change the spark plugs. Blow off any loose debris to prevent it from falling into the engine later. Remove the bolt securing each coil pack. Push down on the top of the clip to release the locking tab and pull up to disconnect the wire. Repeat for the remaining wires. Now the coil pack should lift right out. If the tubes are dirty, blow them out before removing the spark plugs. This 5/8 spark plug socket has a rubber ring that grabs the plug so they're easier to remove and install. I like to replace the plugs one at a time to minimize the chance of anything falling down the open holes. These NGK laser iridium spark plugs are the exact OEM replacement for my Civic. Apply a small amount of anti-seize to the threads, being careful not to get any on the electrodes. A thin layer of silicone grease applied to the white ceramic insulator seals out moisture and helps prevent the coil pack boot from sticking to the plug. Push the new plug into the socket and thread it in by hand. Finish tightening with a ratchet and repeat the process for the remaining spark plugs. The torque spec for my Civic is 13 foot-pounds, but be sure to look it up for your specific vehicle. Reseat the coil packs. Reconnect the wires. And tighten the bolts. Make sure it starts, and you're done. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.